Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. So today we're working with a new client who came in to get some TLC for her shortcut. Now, of course, if you're new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to share our videos with your family and friends as we are trying to get to 600,000 subscribers and we cannot do it without your help. Now, to start the shampoo process, I always recommend thoroughly saturating the hair and also rinsing out as much of that excess product as you can before you even get to the clarifying stage. For the shampoo process, I always recommend using warm water because cold water is what we use to lock in product, or should I say lock in the moisture or the characteristics of a conditioner. So in this case, like I said, shampoo with warm water, condition with cool water. Once you're done rinsing out the product and thoroughly saturating the hair, we're going to start with our Elite Clarify shampoo, which is our charcoal or activated charcoal detox and cleansing shampoo, but it is a gentle cleanse so it doesn't strip the hair of all of its natural oils. This is going to help to get rid of any dirt, debris, and excess objects in the hair. I always say that because I think it's so funny. Anyway, our Elite Clarify is created to basically cleanse the hair and the scalp and prepare it for your treatment shampoos and conditioners, because you do want to make sure that you have a healthy head of hair and scalp before you go in and put in your treatments. Now, a treatment is not just a conditioner. It actually starts at the shampoo process. And with that being said, you always want to ensure that you do shampoo and condition on every wash day, whether it be instant condition or a deep condition. Now, once you rinse out your Elite Clarify, you're then going to move into your treatment shampoo. In her case, because she is relaxed and fine/medium textured, I decided to use the B7 collection, which this is our biotin and volumizing collection. That is great for people like herself, and also can be used on natural hair as well if you are fine or medium textured. Now, once she's done getting that scrub, of course, we're going to go ahead and rinse the hair thoroughly. And then we will move on to our conditioner phase. Whereas, unfortunately, in this video, I did not show the conditioner phase. But for her conditioner, we used the B7 Beyond collection. And we also used our biotin and volumizing instant conditioner to condition her hair. Now, I said condition like 9 times. But that's neither here nor there. Stay focused. But make sure you're also rinsing with cool water when you are rinsing out your conditioner. Now, before I go ahead and mold her, I sprayed her down with some of the B7 leave-in conditioner. And then to protect her hair from the heat elements, I used some of our Shield Heat and Humidity Protectant Spray. That is going to be our water-based heat protectant that is going to be able to be used. That is going to be able to be used to help protect the hair up to 425 degrees. Got tongue-tied. Anyway, you guys, I'm using our Elite Silk Wrap Foam to go ahead and mold her down. You guys always hear me talking about the mold. Well, with any shortcut, the mold is super important because this is your foundation to your style. If your mold is crunchy, if your mold is rigid or just really messy, then your style is going to end up exactly the same way. So I highly recommend to make sure that the hair is nice and smooth and that you did use enough of the Elite Silk Wrap Foam to give you a good mold. Keep in mind, you guys, if the hair is not wet enough and you are putting the wrap foam on, you run the risk of using too much wrap foam, and then that leaves the hair hard and makes it not easy to be able to be moved later on in the curling or styling process. So be mindful the wetness of the hair or the saturation of the hair, and then also be mindful how much wrap foam you apply to the hair when it's damp/wet. Now, while she's being molded, I did want to remind you guys of our new launch of our Platinum Turbo Blow Dryer and our Smooth by EHC Mini Flat Iron, which is our half-inch iron. Both of these products launch on September 13th, which is next Friday. So you guys get excited, be ready, be ready, be ready. Also, in the meantime, we are having our 50% off sale where you are able to get 50% off all of our Elite Hair Care products and Crystal W online products as well. The code to get the 50% off is 50 off now, 50OFFNOW. And that code can be used on either one of our websites. And then, of course, during the launch of our blow dryer and our new half-inch flat iron, the sale will still be going on, so you'll be able to utilize it then, of course, while supplies last. I'm also super duper excited because I am launching my $1 million YouTube channel training program, where those of you who are interested in becoming YouTubers or being on YouTube, such as myself, you want to be able to build your business from your YouTube channel or even get monetized on YouTube, I'll be having a train at your own pace course launching October the 1st, where you'll be able to learn the ins and outs of YouTube from point zero all the way to point Z. So get excited, you guys. A lot is happening for Elite Hair Care USA. A lot is happening for your girl. A lot of changes for the good. A lot of new things for you guys. I am just super excited, so you guys get super excited as well. So now that her hair is thoroughly dry, I'm just going through and combing her down. I did put a little bit of our frizz control on her hair. This is going to allow the hair to be nice and pliable and nice and silky and movable when we are curling. And then I'm actually using our new Smooth by EHC half-inch iron or mini iron. And this iron is a dome plate, so it's going to make it a lot easier for those of you who don't know how to curl. And it's also going to help to keep those curls in the right direction and make your life a lot easier later on too. So the goal is for all of our Elite Hair Care products and tools to make your life easier, but at the same time providing you high quality professional grade products. Okay, these are not the traditional cheapy retail products that you find in the store. These are professional grade products. These are behind the counter, not in front of the counter. All right, good. Stay focused. Anyway, you guys, I want you guys to comment down below and tell me what you guys think about the smoothness of the Smooth by EHC half-inch iron as I'm curling my client's hair. Also, for those of you that may or may not know, I want someone to comment down below and tell me up to what degree can our Elite or Smooth by EHC flat irons go up to. I'm looking to see the answer in the comments down below. And then, of course, we will go ahead and heart those who are right. But we also like to do reviews because it's fun. So it's just a way for you guys to get the information and really just keep up with any type of new information or new trends, things like that that might be coming in. Now, once you finish your curling, at this point, you're able to do your curls nice and tight. But for me, I did them kind of like loose for her because I know that, you know, most people don't want the Marcel curls anymore. That style is kind of out. We're back over here with trend. Okay, anyway, stay focused, you guys. All right, so I'm using our flow comb, which is our 24 karat flow comb, just to move and break her curls up. And then, of course, to melt everything together. And when I say melt, meaning comb everything together. And she is out the door. Now, of course, she has what we consider a micro pixie, so she doesn't have any bangs. Unfortunately, her hair got cut way shorter than she would have liked and way shorter than I would too. But we're going to grow this hair out and get it back to optimal health so that she is able to really just progress in her short area, and she might even want to grow it out and at a later date. So, you know, I'm all for healthy hair. I'm team natural, team relaxed, team shortcut, team long hair. Team long hair don't care. Team teeny weeny ponytail, I don't care. I am a true lover of hair care. So all of this for me is going to just be exciting. Exciting. Yeah, okay, I said it. Anyway, you guys, like I said, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Go to your website, elitehaircareusa.com, crystalwonline.com. Shop the 50% off sale. Use code 50OFF now. And don't forget, like I said, the launch of our new professional 2400 watt blow dryer, the Platinum Turbo. Okay, yes. And don't forget our Smooth by EHC mini iron. You guys know I should be a DJ, right? Okay, yeah. Anyway, you guys, I just went ahead and cleaned up her nape and around the hairline, make it nice and crispy, nice and tight, and then sent this baby on her way to have an amazing day. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some deets, some tips, some tricks for the free 99 from your girl. And don't forget to look out for our $1 million YouTube channel training course, where you will be able to learn how to build a YouTube from the ground up, get monetized, make money for your business, make money for yourself. We're doing all the big things this year, okay? Forget Hot Girl Summer. Forget all of that. We're doing boss moves now. We're doing boss moves, and we are getting this life together, right? All right, good. So if you're with me, comment down below. Say me in the comments so I can give you guys the pre-enrollment information, because pre-enrollment is about to open soon, and then we go live the October the 1st. I was gonna say December. Wow, October 1st for the YouTube Academy training. But like I said, you guys, I just been babbling. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.